Here's an unboxing of these Blackout curtains right here. 100% Blackout. Come in this nice bag right here. Where's the zipper at? Alright, you got a little instruction manual right there. Bunch of hooks. More hooks. And then you've got the two curtains. Each one bundled up real nice. So it looks really nice. Looks really nice, high quality. This would be the top right here. Hooks go in here. And then here's a look at the bottom. No loose seams or anything like that. Loose threads, everything looks nice. And here's a look at the underside. The Blackout side.